Hello everybody, how y'all doing? This channel's lots of fun. If I get bored with one, I go do something else. So this is my year planner video, and this is for week, let me get there, week of the 28th through December 4th, I think. So it's 30th, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, to the 4th, December 4th. So, December is not in this planner. December is in this planner. So, we are kind of going to go, like right now, we just have my grandson's birthday. He's 16 this year. Oh my goodness. He's 16. So, let's flip to that page. It's already decorated. I've already decorated it. And let me show you what I've done. Let me come up there. Okay. So I have kind of a mix, orange and green. Like this side is the end of November. This is Christmas. So the 1st through the 4th is in this planner. So we're going to do both planners today. So you know, and I said, let's get ready for Christmas right here. Now, the Santa Claus is, they always do it the Saturday after Thanksgiving, which is the 27th. The Saturday, this is Sunday, starts Sunday, so Saturday is when Santa comes. So this is going to start into my December daily. So that'll be different. That's more, well, it's not. They work together. So those pictures and everything that I take for there, even though they're November, I put them into December daily. I just put it in a day, like December 2nd or whatever. I put it in there first off because I want to document that. So this is the big calendar, and then I have a little calendar that goes on the inside of my. So this is the December daily book, and that's pretty much just for pictures and a little bit of journaling. The rest of it is going to be in this planner. So I can go back and forth. I can write more in here, and then the pictures are going to go in there. So we got a lot happening. Her elf comes with her pet reindeer. And her elf's name is Natalie, and I think she named the reindeer Rudolph, I think. Rudy. I think that's what she named it. So last year she had to quarantine when she got here. So she got here like right after Thanksgiving, and she had to quarantine for 10 days, I think it was. So we have a little lantern up on the mantle, and it's all got her food and everything in there. She has to sit in there for quarantine. She's going to have to quarantine again, but not for as long. So I think it's just 5 days. So I don't know if she'll show up. She'll probably show up this first week of November. So this first week, end of November, the first week of December, she won't be doing nothing. She'll be quarantined. So she best be staying in her little house. So she's coming. And then every day she does something. So for that first 5 days, she's quarantined. There's nothing happening. So about the second week of December, stuff's going to happen. So like whatever she does, I write in on the day, you know, she did this or whatever. And there's a picture every day. So I have a picture for 24 days because she leaves on the Christmas Eve. So it'll be 24 pictures. 24 items to be put in the planner. And then, like I said, she's gone to see Santa here on the 27th. And then there's other things that are happening like in school and all of that that'll get written in here. I don't know what they are right now, so I can't write them in. But I did get November 28th through 30th done. We've got Blake's birthday. He's 16. She goes back to school. Let me see. I'm going to write it in. I'm going to write it in pencil. She goes back to school on the 29th. Back to school. on the 29th. So I have a feeling that sometime in that week, her elf is going to be here. Last week, recap, or this week rather, the week of the 21st, she lost her last baby tooth. It's gone. No more baby teeth for her. Thanksgiving is that week, and she sees Santa. So a little bit happening. But this week, you know, for this week, the 29th through the 4th, not at least these first 3 days, I don't think there's anything. She goes back to school. Her elf is going to come. I don't know what day. So that takes care of this section of the planner. Now the fun part is the December one. So excited we finally get to use it. Okay, I've already done that video where you saw me decorate it all. So here is the month calendar. And like I said, this is going to get filled up. And there's going to be a miniature version of this in her December daily on the cover, inside cover. So her elf will come sometime this week, sometime in here. She goes back to school on the 29th, which is right here. And then there's other stuff happening, like her last day of school for vacation is the 21st. Then we got her elf leaves on the 24th, Merry Christmas. We got Happy New Year, New Year's Eve. So that is the calendar so far. This will get filled up. Her elf, she comes this week. She's going to be secluded, so there won't be anything regarding her this week. It'll be this week, and this week, and this week. So every day I'll write in here what she did or whatever. So when I print out the pictures, I can put it with that day. Because I don't have any more ink for my photo printer. And you can't find it. Because it's an old photo printer. So now I just have to save everything and then send away. So I've got to know what day she did what. So I can put it on the day in the December daily. So I'm kind of a little bit double doing for a little bit, but not really. This is writing in, this is pictures. So, and then the little calendar will go right here, which will pretty much have the same kind of stuff on here. Whatever I take pictures of is what's going to be on this calendar in here. So let's get to, okay, so here's November's. It's decorated. We're done. We're done with that one. Then the second half is December. And we need that first week, which is right here. I've already gone through and cut my papers and done all of that. So I've picked this kind of for the first week of December. And I've got them all cut here. So it's not going to be a huge amount of time to be able to video this and everything. So let me show you. I just put green here. I put washi tape on the side. I've got a little thing down here. And a little stockings up here because they get hung on the fireplace. Actually, they're on there right now, but they get on there that first week of December. And so now, what did I say? I'd like the end of this December, for the end of the week. The first half of the week is November. The second half of the week is December. And for the month of December, we will only see this red planner. But we've got to go through. Here's the menu. I need to give it to Ariel so she can fill it out this next week. So here's my, like I didn't take this out and put it in here. I'm not going to do that. But we've got, for this month, is what we write down. I got the little school calendar right here. The first, I could probably write that in here. I need a pen. Where's my green pen? I've been using the green pen. The green one. The first is the, it's midterm. So, midterm. So I will write that in there. So if she has anything she needs to make up, school-wise, work-wise, she needs to get on it. before the term ends. So, and then I've got it in here when we get up there of she has an early release and Christmas break going into January. And once we're in January, we're back over here to January. We'll be back over here. All of this will be out and this will be in. And like there's not a January month thing like this one because this is a different planner. Remember I said I'm using 2 different planners? It's a mixture. Like January is different. And then, because I don't think it's on here. Oh, yes it is. It's on the back of here. So I'll put that back piece back over here for January because this is school year. So this will all go in the same container. So anyway, we're halfway through. We're halfway through. I can take out the rest of October stuff now, which I'll probably do. And here's the bucket that I got from Dollar Tree. That's her school year thing. Okay, so why don't I do this first so I can get everything out of here. That will stay in here. Okay. October. We're only really missing, oh, because I kept this part in. So this will go on here. So, and then that stays there. So when November is done, I will take all of this and put it on top of here. Okay, so let's get back to what I was talking about. Okay, so it says reading, watching, cooking, eating, loving, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating, going, crafting, birthdays, goals. That's right here. So for reading, I don't read unless I have to. We do read scriptures. I do that anyway every day, so it's just a no-brainer, but we'll read the Christmas story on here. Watching Christmas movies, cooking cookies, cakes, stuff like that. December, you know, yummy stuff. Eating cookies and candy. I'm not, but she is. And then loving the spirit of Christmas. I love watching the little kids. Oh my gosh. They are so excited. And to watch them, the little gleam, it's just beautiful. I love it. Dreaming, presents. What are we getting? You know? Feeling happy. This time of year, I'm usually always happy. Listening to Christmas music. I do that all year round, but more so now. Listen to it. Celebrating Christmas, the birth of Jesus. We're not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. At least I don't plan on it. Actually, I could put in here, we are. Light seeing. You know, like sightseeing, but light seeing. We go around and look at the lights. And it's prettier when the snow's on the ground. But I take her at night and we go light seeing and looking at all the lights on, and we'll take pictures and stuff. That goes in there too. Depending on what day we do it. Sometimes it's twice. But it depends because some people have them up early. Like there's already a couple of houses in my town that they're fully decorated already. So we just haven't gone out at night and gone for a ride. We'll do that. And then crafting is my December daily and planner. December 7th. Okay, that's next week. I will write that in. It's my stepmom's birthday. My friend Cindy's birthday is on the 19th. And my son's girlfriend's birthday is the 31st. And my goals, my diet, I'm trying to get down to 165. Which is doable if I maintain and do everything right. I can do that by the end of December. I don't know if it'll happen. I hope it will, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. But that's a goal. It's only 10 pounds from now. And we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I've been doing pretty good. And if you've been watching my videos, there's been, I just did my last haul. I did a diet update on that, and then I'll do another one showing like what clothes I was in to what I'm in now. As of this date of this video, which is the 22nd of November, I'm down to 175 from March. In March, I was 210. So I've done pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. I should be a lot lower than that right now, but I've been easing the exercise stuff because I don't want my foot to act up again, and I don't want my back to act up again. So I'm hoping everything is okay with those now. I haven't started anything yet. Anyways, off subject. So that is the goals. So we are officially in the December planner. So we won't be seeing this one again until January. This one is done until January. I will keep it with me, but we are done until January. So while I was talking, I should have been putting this stuff on here. So I was going to mix it up and do, because the other side of it is like gold, but I decided to just do the reds. I'm partial to red. When I was little, I loved the color red. It was my favorite color. And like I said, I'm trying to not do stickers. I don't want to buy stickers. I've got a crap ton of scrapbook paper, and there's no reason why I can't use it up. I'm getting down there though with like holiday kind of stuff, so I may either buy stickers for holidays only, or buy another big thing of scrapbook paper that has the holiday stuff in it and make my own stickers, which I'm not mad about. I've got the punch, so why not do that? I've got to move this one and put this on there. That was easy. See how pretty that looks? Not a lot written in here yet. I mean, her elf is coming. I just don't know which day she's going to be here. And then she's going to be in quarantine. So she'll be up in her house, and there'll be a picture of that will go inside here. So depending on the day, if it's December 1st, it'll go into December 1st here. So I'm not sure. Or if it'll be December 2nd. I don't know. Whatever day it is, there'll be a picture and all of that. So that's it, guys. We are all set for this week. And then I've already got everything prepped for the weeks ahead. I just got to write in what's happening or whatever. I kind of want to make a thing. You know, this is where I'm at, you know, this day or whatever. And I've got a ton of, like I could probably use one of these. Why don't I use one of these? This will be pretty. And I can move it when I use it. So I think that's what I'll do. That's where we're at. It's marked right there. And then I can move it when I need to write in here or whatever. I can move it around. That works. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little chat and planner thing. And good timing. Time to go. All right, we'll see you again soon. Bye now.